Come.
Forget it.
Hello?
Bam.
You're heading
Yeah.
home. You go there when you got no place else to go. You don't like
All right,
sitting on
bye.
my porch?
What?
Hey,
Marge wants me to ask Marilyn to call her. She's not answering her phone.
Whack the bees. Just don't let them inside.
Where's she going? She's got to go see Marilyn.
Hi, my name is Mr. Jones. Also known as Phineas Flapdoodle Jr. Yeah, that's it.
You're leaving?
Now you've heard of Henry Miller, haven't you?
Yeah.
Why are you leaving?
When he was starting out, he lived in New
Why
York
should
City,
I leave?
Huh?
and he wrote a
Why should I
letter
leave?
to the
Because I don't want you to.
But why?
A long letter detailing how he wanted
Why are
the
you
trees
filming
cut
me?
Because I feel like it.
in Central Park. And it became famous because they added a printed copy of that letter to the